welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video, I am going to talking about Envato elements, and this is most popular for getting the assist and getting the designs for making so many things. The designer wants this most, and in this video, I am going to talking about that how can you get it for monthly in a low cost. We have panel and we are setting that system that you can easily get access and use the all features of this. It cost, if you go for that, it cost 16 almost $17 per month, but here I'll show you that how can you get it from us in cheap by our panel. So simply after getting from us, you log in this page. Simply you have to put the mail and password that we have provided to you, then log in, and this is your account. This is your account, and with date you will be shown here that was purchased 2 days later, some day ago, and you have access. You can access the Envato by this. So simply go there at Envato elements and access Envato. And successfully you have logged in the Envato account. Here you can download unlimited. You can download unlimited anything from this website. Like I am going to download for you as a shown that if you download it, go there. You don't need to anything doing piracy or something like that. Simply go there and download. You can download it. You click this download. Start processing and already done. You can save this. Okay, so I have cleared to you that we have the system to giving you Envato perfectly. So if you need this Envato elements for monthly package, please contact with us. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you guys who is want to use Envato elements and with unlimited download system. So simply knock us and stay with us for getting access for Envato and other tools. We have all tools here. Search and go to our website and purchase any tools you need. And also you can contact with us on our WhatsApp, Telegram, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful to you all, and thank you for watching. Stay with us, stay good, take love.